Okay, let's use Handbrake. First thing, stick a DVD in to your computer, click Source, and then go find it here. This is The Blues Show, Disc 6 of the Martin Scorsese Presents The Blues. Click Open. Give it a chance to MUX, as they call it, MUX. Basically just finds the DVDs, finds all the titles. Sometimes it takes a little while. So while we're waiting, we can choose what format we want, and we can click this toggle presets, and these are all the different formats. So if you want to record this for your iPod, choose iPod High Res. Your iPhone or iPod Touch, that's a different format. If you just want to watch it on your computer, or if you have a Sling box like Apple TV or iOmega makes one, the generic term is Sling box, you would choose normal. I usually just stick between these two. So if you play iPod High Res on your television or your computer, it's going to be pretty distorted. The audio will be fine, but the visual will have giant squares in it. So if you want to record, you may want to just record both of these at the same time for every DVD. So it looks like it's almost done. And this is great if you want to rent a bunch of DVDs, stick them on your iPod before you travel. If your plane gets delayed, no problem, just watch another movie. Okay, here we go. So we got the title over here, and we have all these different options. So usually the one it picks is usually the best one. And this under here, the 22 minutes, that's usually like an extra. So I'm just going to go with 1 hour, 32 minutes. And I can look at the DVD cover to see if that's about the same time, and it is. And it'll do chapters 1 through 49. You don't have to worry about that. If you were using this in a DVD player, you can fast forward to each different chapter, and that's what that is. If you have trouble recording in Handbrake, you can just go to chapter 2 through 49 and watch the beginning or something. That's a little trick. Like I couldn't record The Matrix or Surrogates. I think it's funny I couldn't record The Matrix. Maybe it was The Matrix preventing me. Anyway, this is the name, The Blues Show 6. I'm going to write Disc 6 to make that a little clearer. And then there's actually a name for this. I'm going to type that in just so it's a little clear for me. And then I can find where I want to stick it. So I'm going to stick it in New Movies Documentary. And I already have the jazz. Okay. So that's pretty good. And it's on normal. And what I'm going to do, since I'm going to record both of these at the same time, this is rather advanced, I'm going to click Add to Queue. And then I'm going to type iPod at the end and click iPod High Res, Add to Queue, and then I'm going to click Start. So it's going to record 1 hour and 32 minutes and 40 seconds for each one. So I can just let this sit and come back 3 hours later or so. That way I'll have it for my computer/television or for my iPod. Now if you have Netflix and you want to return them right away, then maybe just pick a format that works.